This is another type of bond which is called covalent bond. This type of bond is formed by equal sharing of electrons between two atoms of same or different element. A covalent bond may be produced between similar atom. For example, hydrogen contain covalent bond, and a covalent bond may be produced between two different atoms like hydrogen and chlorine also produce covalent bond. So by sharing of electrons it produces the covalent bond, and the covalent bond may be produced between similar element or different element. Now if you want to represent hydrogen molecule, as you know, hydrogen atom contain one electron. This hydrogen atom also contain one electron. Electron always you represent by dot symbol, don't write cross sign, because these are called electron dot picture. That's why you have to represent the electron by putting dot, don't write cross sign. So since both the hydrogen contain one electron, that is why their configuration is unstable, and they have the tendency to gain one electron so that it will get the helium configuration, I mean noble gas configuration. So this hydrogen will attract this electron, similarly this hydrogen will attract this electron. So this is called equal sharing of electron. And why it is called equal sharing? That because from that side one electron is coming, from this side also one electron is coming, that is called equal sharing of electron. And after sharing, inside this hydrogen there are two electrons. Similarly, inside this hydrogen there are two electrons. I mean both the atom will get the stability. And due to this sharing of electron, they will produce a bond that is called covalent bond. So a single covalent bond always contain two electrons. In some cases, if you consider oxygen, as you know, oxygen, its atomic number is 8. That's why configuration is 2, 6. I mean valence shell contains 6 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this you have to represent the valence electron. Similarly, this is another oxygen. It also contains 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Due to presence of 6 electrons, it also unstable. How much required to become stable? 2 requires. That is why this oxygen attract 2 electrons from this. Similarly, this oxygen will attract 2 electrons from this, so that both the atom will gain 8 electron. So here one pair electron takes place, that's why you have got single bond, but here 2 pair of electron takes place in sharing, that's why you will get double bond like this. And these are called lone pair which do not take part in bonding formation. These are called lone pair of electron. So oxygen always have 2 lone pairs when it produces the bonds. So a covalent bond may be single, may be double. If you consider nitrogen molecule N2, nitrogen atomic number 7, configuration 2, 5, I mean in the valence shell you will get 5 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electron. Similarly, this is another nitrogen, 5 electron. Due to presence of 5 electron, it requires another 3. That's why 3 electron attract by this nitrogen. Similarly, that nitrogen attract 3 electron from this nitrogen. So here 3 pairs of electron take part in sharing. That's why it produces triple bond like this, and 1 lone pair will be present inside nitrogen. So a covalent bond may be single, may be double, may be triple, depending on the number of electron pairs take part in sharing. If 1 pair of electron take part in sharing, you will get single bond. If 2 pairs of electron take part in sharing, you will get double bond. If 3 pairs of electron take part in sharing, you will get triple bond. Now I want this thing already you have got. So I want to ask you, one question. If a single bond, maybe single, double, triple, why cannot produce, for example, if you consider carbon, its electronic configuration is 2 4. So this is one carbon, it contains 4 electrons in the valence shell. This carbon also contains 4 electrons in valence shell. Due to presence of 4, it requires another 4. That's why this type of sharing will take place, so that both the atom will gain 8 electrons. After formation of bonds, you should get 4 bonds like this way, but you never get this type of 4 bonds. Can you tell me the answer why single, double, triple is possible, why 4 bonds are not possible? This question for you, you have to tell me the answer. If you have covalent bond, maybe single, maybe double, maybe triple, but why not in case of carbon, the 4 bonds in between 2 carbon? So this question for you. Now, this is one molecule which is called methane. They also contain covalent bond. If you want to draw the dot picture, these are called actually dot picture, electron dot picture. These are called electron dot picture. When you draw the dot picture of this molecule, which atom you have to write at the center and which atom you have to write in the surrounding position. To identify that, you should know about the valency of the atom. The atom which have more valency, that atom should be at the center, because valency means the number of bonds inside the atom. You know carbon valency is 4, hydrogen valency is 1. I mean carbon can produce 4 bonds, hydrogen can produce only 1 bond. Since carbon valency is more, that is why carbon should be the central atom and hydrogen should be the surrounding atom like this. So this is the process to arrange the atoms. So as you know, carbon contains 4 electrons in the valence shell, because carbon atomic number is 6, valence electron 4, and hydrogen individually contain 1 electron. Now, since carbon carry 4 electrons, it requires another 4. So 1 electron will take from this hydrogen, another electron from this, another electron will from this, another electron from this hydrogen. Like this, carbon attract the hydrogen electron, and similarly hydrogen will attract the carbon electron to get stable form. This is called equal sharing of electron, and by this equal sharing, carbon will form 4 bonds like this side 1 bond, this side another bond, this side another bond, this side another bond. So like this way you can draw the dot picture of methane molecule. If you want to draw water molecule dot picture, oxygen valency is 2, hydrogen valency is 1, so oxygen should be at the center and hydrogen should be in the surrounding position. Oxygen have 6 electrons, you can draw 6 electrons like this, hydrogen 1 electron. So sharing will take place like this. So after sharing, oxygen carry 8 electrons, hydrogen carry 2 electrons. So it will produce 2 covalent bond, both are single bond, and oxygen contain 2 lone pair. In the dot, when you draw the dot picture, you have to show the lone pair also, if some lone pair is present. If you want to draw ammonia molecule NH3, this is nitrogen, nitrogen carry 5 electron in the valence shell, hydrogen contain 1 electron, 3 hydrogen, that's why I have written 3. So sharing takes place like this. After sharing, they produce 3 bonds with hydrogen, separate single bond, and 1 lone pair will be present with nitrogen. So these are called the dot picture, electron dot picture of different molecules. So you will get number in exam also, you have to draw dot picture like this way. The different molecules will be supplied to you, you have to draw the dot picture in this process. So this is about the covalent bonding. A covalent bond may be single, may be double, may be triple, based on the number of electron pairs take part in sharing. And you should know one thing, ionic bonds, they are non-directional, but covalent bonds, they have some direction, and that is why covalent molecules For covalent molecules you will get some shape, but in case of ionic compound you don't get the shape because bonds are non-directional. But in case of covalent bonding they have some direction, and that is why you will get some definite shape of covalent compound. Shape you will get later. What will be the shape of water, what will be the shape of ammonia, you will get later, but they have some definite geometrical shape. Thank you.